Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these easy keto chicken fries. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Let's get started with these chicken fries. They are super delicious and we're going to cook them in our air fryer, make them really crispy. I'm going to use chicken breast, and the best way to cut the chicken breast for chicken fries is you want to cut them so the grain or of the flesh of the chicken is running this way. So we definitely want to cut the meat this way. But we don't want to cut them too big. We don't want to cut them too small, and chicken breast is kind of awkwardly shaped. So what we're going to do is we're just going to cut it in small strips, and then if they're too thick, we can cut them in half. And just to make them, look better, so this little end, I'm just going to cut it off so it's not half, like dried up and so dry because it was so small. But you just want to cut into a long strip, and then I'm going to cut this long one in half. And we could even cut this in half lengthwise, just so it's not so thick. Then we've got these little pieces of chicken for our chicken fries. This right here I'm going to cut in half. This I'm going to cut in half. And I'm going to cut, I'm going to leave those like that. That's good. Okay, I'm going to finish that with the rest of the chicken. Okay, once you get all of your chicken cut up, now we can get our breading station all assembled. So I've got crushed pork rinds here. It's about 3 ounces of pork rinds. And you can buy pork rinds and crush them up, but I love this. You can buy it, I think I bought this at Walmart. You can also buy it on Amazon, but this was much cheaper than on Amazon. And it is already crushed up pork rinds. The ingredients are just pork rinds and salt. That is it. It's PorQ is the brand. So much easier than buying a bag and crushing them up yourself. So we're gonna season these up. We're gonna do a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of onion powder. Get this all stirred up. And then I've also got 2 eggs that I'm going to crack into this bowl and beat with a fork. Because we're going to do egg first and then the pork rinds. And then we're going to put them in our air fryer basket. So I'm just going to go ahead and put all of this chicken in here from 1 chicken breast, because that's probably about how much will fit in my basket. And we're going to get them coated in the in the egg. Then we're going to coat them in the pork rinds. Do those. Make sure you get a nice coating. And then I've sprayed the air fryer basket so these don't stick. You can cook these in the oven, you can bake them in the oven. And the oven does cook more at a time, but I just think that the air fryer just makes everything so crispy. I don't know, you just can't really get that in the oven. Okay, we've got our air fryer full. Let me just show you how we're looking. We're gonna cook these for about 8 minutes. You want them to make sure, they're gonna cook fast because they're so small. So you just wanna make sure you get them crispy, but you don't wanna overcook them. So 8 minutes should be adequate. Okay, our chicken fries are done. They took about 14 minutes to get nice and crispy. So I'm gonna pull them out of here and put them in this cute little basket. How cute are those? And this one is going to be delicious. So crispy. So good. Those would be so good. And like some barbecue sauce. So if you're in the mood, ever in the mood for fast food, check out this recipe. It is perfect and so flavorful. Also, you might want to check out my air fryer pork chops that are just as good, just as easy in the air fryer. If you're on Facebook, you can go to my website, jenniferbands.com, and search for pork chops. Or if you're on YouTube, you can click this box right here and it'll take you right to the video where I show you how to make them. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.